going on, everybody?
How you guys doing? And girls?
Welcome back to another video. The last one you saw, I opened a mega box of this Donruss. Now it's time for him to open his box, see if he can do any better.
I don't know, it's gonna be tough. Those fireworks. The Shohei firework,
Mm-hmm.
the Vlad firework,
Mm-hmm.
and the DeGrom Marvel firework.
Yep.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough.
And the stat line number card.
And the stat line to 38, number 38.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the number Dodell.
And the number Joe Adele. So those 5 cards right there.
Sorry.
Only shot I got is if I go ahead and maybe get a really good rookie autograph.
Maybe you'll get CT too.
Oh, gosh, I hope so. But hey, thanks for hanging out with us. If you could, go ahead and take care of the business. Give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. Comment below. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and consider subscribing. And, we'll get to open that blaster right after this. Go.
I'm going to sit down, sip on the water, do not cause too much noise with coughing and sneezing.
So if you didn't watch the last one, find 12 mega box exclusives, hollow pink, 12 pink fireworks per average. That's what you're looking at right there. That's what they kind of look like. And you could possibly get one autograph on average.
So far, that has been true.
So far, that has been true. We opened up one box, and we got one autograph. Now, Panini could be super duper cool and go above average for me. And there's your empty box. And I'd be okay with that. I wouldn't mind a double autograph.
If it's one card with 2 autographs, is it on those 2 autographs or one autograph?
That's a good question. All right. Here we go. Joey Votto, DeSclafani, Stanton, Simeon, Freed, Rodriguez, Manoah, Lowe, McCullers, Yelich, Salvador Perez of Diamond Kings, rated rookie Josh Lowe, Vlad Jr., Kevin Smith, rated rookie. Crap. Well, that stinks. I saw who it was.
I didn't see.
Sorry.
I also was looking at some.
Chris Bryant on the pink. Dang it, that stinks.
Just blur that part when you edit the video.
Oh, yeah, I'll do that. Aaron Nola.
Nice.
Oh, cool. Elite Series. Kyle Lewis on the thing. Bomb Squad. Woo! Fernando Tatis Jr. on the Bomb Squad. Tim Anderson. J.P. Crawford. Realmuto. Contreras. Tommy Seaver. The franchise. Frazier. Story. Cabrera. Miggy. Jim Tomei, the Hall of Famer. Corbin Burns. Diamond Kings of Vladdy. Newt Bar on the rookie. Diamond Kings, Mookie Betts. You gotta sleeve your Mookies. Luis Frias. Giancarlo Stanton, numbered 807 out of 2022 on the Diamond Kings red. Is a pink of Scooble. Come on, man. Come on. Ooh, nice. A Nando. Unleashed. Who's that? What?
Devers.
Raph Devers. Nice on the explosion. And hit squad. Well, I can say his name. He's not on that team. Freddie Freeman. Frederick Freeman. Hannigan. McLaren. Nando Tatis. Alvarez. Willie McCovey. Bryce Hopper. Josh Bell. Max Muncy. Albies. Jesus Sanchez. Jim Thome, a variation. Well, that's him on Philly. I wonder what the other one is. Huh? Seth Beer, rated rookie. Diamond Kings of Joey Votto. Romy Gonzalez on the rated rookie. Boflo's name variation on the Bo Bichette. Trey Turner on the pink. Pink on the throwback. Oh, nice. Pop Willie Stargell. Here we go with the, what do you call them? Fireworks trending. Tyler O'Neill.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, rated prospect Jason Dominguez on the fireworks. Yeah, he'll take over. He'll go in front of Frederick. Turner. Rodon. Buxton. Barrios. Bogarts. Stevenson. Mike Piazza. Merrill Kelly. Glasnow. Trey Mancini. Randy Velati. Ryan Velati. Ricky. Dylan Carlson. Connor Siebold. Diamond Kings William Contreras. Oh, we got the stars of Luis Gill on the rated rookie. We got the pink. That looks like a Matt Chapman. We got another pink. Ooh, nice. Diamond Kings Jose Ramirez. Another one of these hitters. Dang it. Tim Anderson. Nice. And a trending Lou Bob. Oh, that's my rookie autograph over there. Ryan Zimmerman. Garcia. Lewis. Goldschmidt. Wong. Hoffman. Seager. Nice. Pete Alonso. Logan Gilbert. Will Smith. Eli Morgan on the rated rookie. Stan the Man, name variation for Stan Musial.
The man.
Ronesy Contreras. Diamond Kings of Sandy Alcantara. Another red numbered card.
What did you get into? And it's the same one?
It's the
same. 806. Where's the other one? 807?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
How do you like
You can't
that,
be mad at
folks?
that. That's pretty cool.
How do you like that, folks?
That's pretty
806
sweet.
and 807. Well, wow. That is definitely odd. Oh, a pink Pedro. And a retro Josh Hader. Oh, I got a Marvels. Tampa Bay. Yo, baby! Wonder Mania.
Wow.
And an Unleashed. That looks like
Miss Taylor.
Mookie
Oh, no.
Betts Unleashed. Oh, man.
What a pack.
That is a hell of a pack. Sorry there, Fernando. Enrique Hernandez. Sal Perez. Jonathan India. Alex Bregman. Julio Urias. Manny Machado. Alex Verdugo. Tyler O'Neill. Brady Singer. Casey Mize. Greg Deichmann. Rated rookie. Diamond Kings Mike Trout. I'll put him over. There you go.
Thank you.
Jaron Duran. Oh,
Ooh.
name variation. Gavin Sheets, rated rookie. Chris Flexen. Here we go. Another pink. Brian De La Cruz. Any idea? Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
Royce Lewis, a second rated prospect. And eliminators of Tony Two Bags. All right, folks. And the rookie. The autograph. Retro 88 GS. It is Gavin Sheets. And it's numbered. Numbered out of 199. A firework. All right, I'll take that one.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice. So 3 numbered cards.
Same.
2 sequential. That's ridiculous. That's crazy.
I think that's pretty cool.
No, I mean, I'm not saying it's bad, but he wasn't expecting it.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So, hey, if you're looking for a number, Giancarlo Stanton.
806
or 807, let me know.
Hit him up.
Hey, thanks a lot, folks, man. I tell you, that was pretty good. I'll take a bunch of those cards all day long. Some nice ones. That Wanda Marvel, man. I still think Mike had the better box, but hey, that's okay. That's all right. You can't go ahead and can't have the best box every single time. But hey, with that, thanks a lot for hanging out. Much appreciated. Before you leave, do us a favor. Hit the old thumbs up. Tickle the key with a comment. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell and hit that all. And we'll see you here right again in a couple of days. Don't forget, come back. And we'll see you at the next rip.
See ya.